looks like the stage pick is Battlefield, going to Hannibal variant, so we can get that ring-a-ding sound. We have Golden Chaos sitting down versus Adapt. Adapt going to play Falco, it looks like, and Golden Chaos going for Wolf. This is an odd matchup. Wolf has the laser being a little bit stronger, but a little bit slower than Falco's. But Falco having that crazy combo game. Just has some trouble getting in and really setting up for those combos. Where Wolf has the opposite problem, where he can set up, but he doesn't really get as much off, but he does get a lot more lethal stuff off. Seeing that grab and that laser come out to play, basically just shooting Falco with a gun, not like a regular laser. That Nair being frame 6 or 7, very strong tool, comes out strong, gets weak pretty quick. Already having to resort to the side B recovery, recovering a little bit high, getting punished for that with Falco's F smash. Falco not taking the bait with Wolf's F smash and getting a punish off of his own with up throw. Going back to ledge again, good choices to do that because it does put you at a pretty defensive position. Getting a kill with that Nair to punish that side B recovery. Wolf not getting that sweet spot. Golden Chaos landing a lot with the landing, usually weaker Nair, but he does punish that attempted dash attack with F smash. Which evens it back up to 2 stocks apiece. Quickly, Golden Chaos is making a good run in terms of percent, racking up enough percent to the point where I think forward air side B getting that sweet spot might be online at this point. Falco really looking to find a way in right now. Double spot dodge dancing. Adapt expecting that grab, but instead catching a forward tilt for his troubles. Good presence of mind from Adapt to throw out that reflective air on stage, knowing that Golden Chaos was going to shoot that laser. Back throw being a very strong, potent kill throw for Wolf, getting that kill at about 150%, putting Wolf pretty much in pretty well in the lead. Not crazy amount because he is pretty liable to die at this point, but Golden Chaos is racking up some percent right now. Almost to the point now where he could do forward air up, forward air up, forward air side B again. Probably just out of percent now, but looking for that neutral get up or roll get up and going for that down smash on stage and getting that kill, giving the first game to Golden Chaos.
But I'm better.
As a Wolf player, you don't necessarily have any bad stages that Falco doesn't also think are bad. In fact, some of the stages that Falco thinks are bad, Wolf thinks are good, like Lilac. But it looks like we might be going right back to Hannibal. Adapt switching out to Cloud. Good option. Can be really good, but also can really turn on him because of Cloud's very poor recovery. But Wolf, being a slouch in the recovery department as well, can suffer the same fates. Neutral Air being a very good tool in this matchup for Cloud to pressure Wolf off stage. And then we're going to be looking for when Cloud hits, or no, when Wolf hits Cloud's shield, we're going to be looking for some up Bs out of shield. And now that we've got limit, we've got a little bit of a stat buff and some power buffs to a few to his special moves. but he has to use it very, very quickly, otherwise he will run out of it, just like that. Putting Cloud off stage, not being able to find an option to punish that recovery option. Down smash, not quite going to be enough to take it. Not going to try to challenge that, knowing that he was pretty close to snapping. The Cloud player looks like he's looking for a little bit of cheese with that side B1. Looking for some stray hits at this point to confirm into something that'll kill. Getting that back throw, not quite going to kill at that point. Back air from Cloud, not going to kill at about 80 or 90, and then we got that limit cross slash coming out. But Golden Chaos being smart enough to shield it, and then punish it and get a kill. And that back air finally going to do it at about 150%. Really good percent for Adapt to finally take it in terms of where he's at, so that he's not too far behind. But now Golden Chaos really going to start racking up the damage. Gotten about 76% unanswered, and then finally getting an answer back at 95%. But a little bit too little too late. He takes out that stock with gusto, putting Wolf in the leads pretty solidly. But as I say that, here comes Cloud using his really good tools in advantage state to just put Wolf into a really pressured position and keep him out just the way that Cloud likes to do. F smash, not quite going to be enough. 109%. Oh. Potentially could have been a little bit more patient and not thrown out that F smash and then gotten the side B kill. But he does eventually get a punish on one of Wolf's movement options and gets that F smash. Tied stocks, pretty close game right now. Wolf having the percent lead, but the percent lead doesn't mean much unless you're trying to camp. And especially against Cloud, who's so easily able to take it back with his limit options. Like if he reads a tech or whatever, and he gets that down B. Ooh, and that side B. Gonna be enough? Not quite. Oh, going for a little bit of an unsafe side B, but Adapt was punishing the wrong way, and he was able to punish his F smash with his own F smash. Game 2 going to Golden Chaos as well. And it looks like for Game 3 we are going to we're going to run it right back to Hannibal. Everybody likes that ring-a-ding. Golden Chaos going with Wolf and Adapt. Ooh, Golden Chaos switching off to me Brawler actually. He has been really liking the Mii's lately, or at least playing them, because a lot of people don't know how to play against them, and he likes the chaos. Adapt kind of playing random right now. Oh, are we gonna see a Ditto? We're gonna see the Ditto. 2-1-1-3 Ditto. 1-1-1-3 Mii Brawlers on Hannibal.
3, 2, 1, go!
And we're gonna see some shot puts coming out. Garages. We're going to be looking for a little bit more neutral play for both players. Not really pushing as much their advantage state, just because both of these characters don't have like a super great advantage. Like they're not terrible at advantage, but they can't really push the issue as much as some other characters can. Especially since some of their moves are really, really reactable. Shot put being one of them, with that long wind-up time before the hitbox ever comes out. So we're going to be looking for a little bit better movement and neutral play instead of just straight-up aggression and advantage. Right now we've got Golden Chaos off stage, gets that up B2 to bring it back, and then put Adapt in his own off-stage situation. Ooh, getting that up smash. finally taking it at about 130. Really good movement coming out, and then Adapt finally finds his F smash, raw F smash in neutral to take that stock, and Lin gets that quick zero to death with I don't remember exactly what he did, but I know he did 2 forward airs in the off stage and then still made it back, having saved his jump. Adapt going to be looking for maybe some similar cheese at this point to try to even up the gap, but Golden Chaos reacting to that shot put and then up being over it to avoid getting hit with it, knowing not to use the second part of it to go back down. Golden Chaos finally finding some percent to give back after a short drought of not giving any percent to Adapt. Gets the grab, goes for the back throw. I'm not sure what he was looking for with that. And there's the smash. Gonna take it for Golden Chaos, two stock over Adapt.
Brawler.